Welcome to Law News at Law 2. To begin with the law news, in a rarest decision, the Madras High Court constitutes division bench to interpret Supreme Court order on extension of limitation period in view of COVID-19. The Madras High Court Chief Justice Amreshwar Pratap Sahi on May 14, 2020 constituted a division bench to answer a reference as to whether the Supreme Court's order on extension of limitation period in view of COVID-19 lockdown would be applicable to Section 167 of the CRPC, dealing with police investigation and filing of report. After two judges of the High Court took different views, the two single judge of the Madras High Court had taken conflicting opinion on the issue recently, with one judge holding that police could not cite lockdown as a reason for not being able to complete investigation on time, and another judge taking a view that the lockdown was akin to emergency and hence the police could not be expected to act fast in such a situation. Accordingly, on May 8, 2020, Justice G.R. Swaminathan observed that the Supreme Court's order on the extension of limitation period did not deal with Section 167 of the CRPC. The judge, while granting bail to an accused after the police has failed to submit the final report within the mandatory time limit, said the Supreme Court had not mentioned that police investigation would be covered by the order. Justice G.R. Swaminathan granted statutory bail to G. Setu of Krishnagiri in the case of robbery since the Vellam police in Tanjavur district had failed to complete investigation and file a final report before the magistrate within 90 days from the date of remand as stipulated under the section 167 subsection 2 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Then the police claimed that they could not complete investigation because of the lockdown, and that the Supreme Court had taken such an extraordinary situation into consideration and extend the time limit for litigant to approach court of law. However, the judge was not convinced with the explanation offered by the prosecution. He pointed out that the section 167(2) of the CRPC entitles the accused to a statutory bail if the investigation was not completed within 60 days in case related to offence which attract less than 10 years of imprisonment, and within 90 days in offence which attract higher punishment. The Supreme Court had extended limitation period only for litigant and not the prosecution. It is not as if criminal. On the other hand, on May 11, 2020, while dealing with a bail petition filed by S. Kasi, who had been booked in an idol theft case by Samaya. On the other hand, on May 11, 2020, while dealing with a bail petition filed by S. Kashi, who had been booked in an idol theft case by Samaya Nallur Police in Madurai district, Justice G. Jayachandran held that the Supreme Court order extending the limitation period would apply even to police when it comes to completing investigation and filing final report. Justice G. Jayachandran, however, observed that though the Supreme Court order had not specifically mentioned police investigation, it had invoked its power under Article 142 of the Constitution in view of the lockdown. He dismissed the bail plea of an accused and said the limitation under Section 167 Section 167 of the CRPC also got extended. The Chief Justice said the two conflicting opinions arising out of the orders were likely to have a different impact on bail orders to be passed by the subordinate judiciary or by the High Court. The matter deserved to be resolved by an authoritative pronouncement, he said. The question would be answered by a division bench presided by Justice P.N. Prakash at Madurai bench itself, the Chief Justice said. Therefore, the Chief Justice of Madras High Court, Amreshwar Pratap Sahi, has constituted a division bench led by Justice P.N. Prakash to decide whether the police could cite the ongoing lockdown to contain COVID-19 as a reason for the delay in completing investigation in criminal cases and consequently oppose grant of statutory bail to the accused with a reference as to whether the Supreme Court's order on extension of limitation period in view of COVID-19 lockdown would be applicable to Section 167 of the CRPC dealing with police investigation and filing of report after two judges of the High Court took different views. In view of the contradictory views taken by two judges of the Madras High Court, the Chief Justice decided to refer to issue to a division bench for an authoritative pronouncement. So that's all in today's law news at LawTube. If you have enjoyed LawTube videos, please don't forget to like and share them. For more similar law news videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel LawTube. See you again on next video.